those ribs.
The ribs are 10, man. They are a 10. Look at that, y'all. These ribs, y'all. Look at them ribs. Ribs. Look at this cornbread. That looks like a piece of sweet potato pie, don't it? A nice flavor in that meat. Hey family, thanks for joining us. Today we're headed to Charlotte, North Carolina to the Midwood Smokehouse. All right, y'all, we're getting the collard greens right there on the side. We're getting the St. Louis half rack pork ribs right there. And I'm also gonna get the cornbread skillet, because I heard it's official here, y'all. Let's check it out. We got our bag, y'all. Just came up. We're about to go outside and check it out. Check it out at Midwood Smokehouse. All right, y'all. We're going to go right out here. All right, y'all. I got my greens here, right? I got the greens. Look, that right there, that's that cornbread. Cornbread looks good, man. That looks like a meal by itself, that cornbread. We're gonna open it up. And I got the ribs in here, man. I love that they have these see-through plates, man. I absolutely love that. All right, family, we're here at the Midwood Smokehouse in Charlotte, North Carolina. It's wintertime, but it feels like it's about 54 degrees, so I decided to eat outside. They're playing music inside, man. First, we're going to go for this cornbread. Look at this cornbread. That looks like a piece of sweet potato pie, don't it? Look at that, man. We're gonna bring that cornbread up out of here in a minute. Y'all know I gotta take this out of here, man. I gotta lift this up. Look at this cornbread, y'all. Whoa, that looks like a bean pie. Oh my goodness. This is why I came here, man. JP, barbecue chef. JP, I think I got that right, but let's put his name up here in case I got it right. JP, it's JP, barbecue sauce. And then there's like some hush puppies here too. And that's them ribs right there, y'all. That's the ribs, that's the ribs. We're gonna check that out. And then I got the collard greens right here. I need to stop playing, man, and just dig in, right? Look at them collard greens, y'all. Let me let y'all see these collard greens. Check out them greens, y'all. Don't they look good? Okay, let's get busy. Real strong on the vinegar. Nice and tender. Okay. I like the flavor of the greens, but I would say that they're strong on the vinegar. I like mine to be more on the sweeter side, a little oily. It's strong on the vinegar. It kind of remind me of, some of y'all gonna be mad at me, like, kind of remind me of Glory greens. It'd be vinegary. I don't like the canned greens. Set the greens down. Let's go for the ribs, man. Look at these ribs. It's not the falling off the bone, but look at these ribs, y'all. Look at them ribs. Ribs, look at it. Look at it. Oh, look at it. They got a, oh, smell like fresh off. Smell like wood was burning, man. Smoked them. That's why they call this joker a smokehouse. Check it out, y'all. Let's tear into these right now. All right. They came off the bone pretty good. I ain't gonna put no extra sauce on them or nothing, man. Let's go for it. Let's go for these ribs. Them some good ribs. Nice and tender. They not fall off the bone, but they fall off the bone. I'm gonna put some sauce on them now. I'm gonna dip them right in this sauce, y'all. A nice flavor in that meat. I got the half racks, 20 bucks for the ribs and the greens. This sauce is the bomb too. This is my spoon right here. Oh, that sauce is good too. Let me stop playing with it, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. I gotta stop playing with it.
I'm going into these ribs. Collard greens left something to be desired. I'm going into these ribs, y'all. Look at that. See, it's not falling off the bone, and they got a little pull to them. But these jokers are delicious, man. I might need some more sauce. That's magical. Look at that, man. Look at that color, right? Look at that color of them ribs, man. Oh, wow. I got a half rack. This is about it, man. I'm about to do some sauce dipping some more with this. Sop that sauce up. These are smoked ribs. When I say smoked, they had them in the smoker. I wonder who smoked them. Let's throw a hush puppy in my mouth with it. That's good. It's really crunchy. I'm not used to my hush puppies being that crunchy, but not crunchy. I'm not used to my hush puppies being that crunchy, but I like that. I'm gonna shut up, y'all. We are about to go into the cornbread once again. Here it is. I'm gonna just break a piece off. That looks like carrot cake, man. Look at it. Don't that look like carrot cake? Look at that. That's really good. That is really good. Oh, I've never tasted cornbread like this. What's that on top? It looks like raisins or something in there too, right? What is that? I've never seen cornbread like this, man. Look at this. Have you ever? Have you ever seen cornbread look like that? What in the world? What is in there? I gotta find out. Oh, it's corn. It's like corn and the little end piece is burnt. See, that's corn in there. Can you see it? Yo. This tastes very buttery, corny, and then I taste a little crunch, which is the sweetness. Damn. I ain't putting no honey on it. We got honey here too. It don't need honey. Look at this. I might put a little bit of honey on it. I'm a happy camper, y'all. This is amazing. There's a lot of older cats coming out of here too. How many agree? Older people are more familiar with good foods or good food spots than the younger folks. What would y'all say? Huh? What y'all got to say to that? I don't know what to eat next. I'm about to dig. I want to put some of that butter on that cornbread. I'm about to dig back into the ribs, and then I'm gonna do a quick mix of it. Look at this, man. Look at this rib, yo. Look at that. Look at that. I like to just sop that joker up real good. Let me just hold it there for a minute. I'll be moving too fast sometimes. I'm happy. Oh, I gotta tell y'all. I was following the GPS. It had me back in some industrial area. There was no restaurant back there. I was starting to get frustrated. It put me 15 minutes out of my way. I almost didn't come here, but I did.
Oh yes, this is.
Okay, y'all, this is Tom right here.
Nice to meet you guys. I just wanted to bring you out a small banana pudding. Just to,
Oh wow. Okay, so you work here.
I do, in fact. Yeah, I'm.
What is in here besides corn? I saw the corn.
Yes. So it is a cheddar jack jalapeno cornbread. So a little bit of jalapenos, a little bit of cheese in there. And
Yeah.
then what we do is we bake that with that cornmeal mix. It is so
Nice.
good. Oh my God.
It is delicious, man.
With the honey, I always tell everybody it's like a little bit dessert in the beginning.
Oh yeah.
Right.
But it's not that. Well, I didn't put the honey on. I didn't put the honey
Right,
on.
but you're right. It's not
Yeah.
that spicy at all. No.
Yeah, it's
on
just
really-
right. It's just right, man. That is delicious,
so much.
y'all.
Thank
And then he just brought out some
So that's our banana pudding.
This is banana
This is a smaller
pudding,
version,
y'all.
but
This is a
even
game.
as it is really, really good. I always tell
Y'all thought
everybody
this
it's
was a
like
game.
grandma made.
like grandma. You heard that, y'all? Challenge. My grandma from South Carolina, man.
Oh, so
You
she
got-
knows. She knows how it's done, huh?
I'm gonna be honest. The collard greens were too vinegary for me. Yeah, and these ribs, man. These ribs. I mean, they're beautiful, man.
are they?
They're beautiful. You guys are smoking these right here on premises?
Correct. Yep. So we have a smoker out in the back, and if you do want to take a tour, you're
Oh, yes!
welcome to come see the chef and come see everything.
I want to do that. I
Yeah,
want to come
yeah,
back and see.
yeah,
Is he
I'll get
smoking anything now?
So let me go double check and see. I'm almost
Okay.
sure we are.
Yeah, that would be dope, man. I'm gonna taste this here.
Please do.
What's your name again?
I'm Tom.
They just bought out some banana pudding, right? And now if you was from where I'm from, they call this Nana pudding. Nana. I smell them nanas. All right, here we go. Oh, that joker rich. That is rich, y'all. You know what? Sometimes I'll be prejudging stuff before I taste it. This is some really good banana pudding. You know, I eat banana pudding back in Newark. Some of it tastes like that pudding that come out of a box and they just throw some vanilla wafers in it. This tastes like homemade banana pudding. This is the bomb. It has that thick richness. It's thickness to it, and it's very rich. Uh-oh, my bag is flying. I gotta go, y'all. I'm not eating no more of that banana pudding. It's delicious. I lied. I want to cuss. This shish, I didn't say S-H-I-T, I said shish. Yo, oh my goodness. That is really good. I'm done with this. It's excellent, man. I give a banana pudding a 10. I give the cornbread a 10. I give the ribs a 10. All right, this is Juan, y'all. And who are you? What do you do here?
My name is Juan Barria. I'm the executive chef at this location, Midwood Smokehouse.
Okay.
I've been with the company since we opened the first one in Central Avenue back 2011.
Oh, 2011. Oh,
Yes,
wow.
sir.
Okay. So show us your smoker. These are the ribs I had.
Yes.
Oh, yes, yes. Wow.
Right there.
The ribs are 10, man. They are a 10. Look at that, y'all. I told you they were smoked. I was telling everybody, I said they got these in a smoker.
2 o'clock, I want to load more for dinner. So
Okay.
We'll be ready by 6:30.
Nice. How many racks do you load?
I got 8 racks over here. I'm planning to do 8 more racks at 2 o'clock.
Oh,
this
nice.
afternoon.
Here we go, y'all.
This is 100%
Oh, you got the wood.
Yeah.
What kind of wood is it?
Hickory.
It's hickory. Okay. It's all local hickory wood.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, we got more, y'all. Oh, the fire. Look, this was what we was. Oh, there it is, y'all.
It's 100%.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, man. That is cool. You guys can feel the heat. I hope my phone is not melting. Nah, that's pretty cool. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people, but you're with the right cat now. I love you, cats. Thanks for hanging out at the Midwood Smokehouse.